When it comes to producing aggregates, every stone counts. Whether you are a small contractor, operate a large quarry, or manage an entire fleet of crushing and screening equipment, numbers matter the most. While operating a plant, you come across multiple challenges, right from stocking parts inventory, managing everyday maintenance and parts for a wide range of machines, skilled workforce and their regular trainings, to the most critical, that is, getting the best out of your circuit to maximize production, thus maximizing profitability. For all your challenges, we have a customized solution. Introducing Life Cycle Services (LCS) for aggregates business. LCS takes the entire range of Metso parts and services, bundles them into tailored packages to suit your site requirements. LCS packages have been tailored into annual maintenance contracts and operations and maintenance contracts, where the plant is operated and managed by Metso experts deputed on site. Annual maintenance contracts comprises of managing your day-to-day operations with the help of expert engineer deputed on site, all spares, all wears and repairs, and critical parts on standby. Whereas in operations and maintenance contracts, we get all components of annual maintenance contracts along with an expert operations team, helping you to get more from your assets and ensuring optimum production. LCS delivers the peace of mind you were always looking for. With LCS, you get fixed cost per ton on annual basis, longer asset life, higher availability or productivity, efficient inventory management, and payment comfort. In other words, when you opt for life cycle services from Metso, you get availability of plant, maximum production, reduced cost, engineering support, inventory management, safe and sustainable operations, and exclusive services. When it comes to supporting your operations, we leave no stone unturned. With over 130 plus sites across India with LCS contracts, this is our assurance to you. Together with our life cycle services, let's bring out the best in the field. Because your goals are our goals.